So, you guys, the premier of Limpopo, Dr. Poppy Ramathuba, has shared on her social media platforms that she and her Limpopo team are currently go Moria today. You guys, they have visited Moria, and of course, the leader of the church, ZCC leader, Reverend Bishop Dr. Barnabas Lekhanyane. She says that this is part of, a relationship, strengthening the relationship with the faith-based organizations in the province. You guys, now Dr. Poppy Ramathuba has shared, these pictures of her together with His Grace Dr. Barnabas Lekhanyane, you guys, and she went on to Facebook also to not only share those videos and also share this event which took place, but to write this statement saying that Limpopo Premier Dr. Poppy Ramathuba was accompanied by Deputy Minister of Health Joe Phatla, also the MEC of Education Ms. Mavungu Lirule Ramakhanya, and MEC for Transport and Community Safety Mrs. Violet Mate. Today visited, of course, they visited the Zion Christian Church, which is known as the ZCC Church, led by His Grace, the Right Reverend Bishop Dr. Barnabas Edward Lekhanyane, as part of strengthening the relationship with the faith-based organization in the province. You guys, a beautiful gathering was then shared by Dr. Poppy Ramathuba, who is doing, the Lord's good work in the province of Limpopo, leading, of course, the province as MEC, you guys. And those are the beautiful pictures which has been shared. Please engage your thoughts with me in the comment section.